This is the Freescape Camp Saw. The innovative design lets you fold the saw flat while remaining completely assembled using no extra tools. Its slim size when folded makes it simple to store in a pack or a gear bag without threat of lost parts. Apply the sturdy blade to cut through larger diameter wood. Its structure lets you work with the full length of the blade for the most efficient use of your energy. Replace the standard 12-inch blade easily when needed. The saw's grippy rubber handle stays firmly in your hand as you go. This is the Freescape Camp Saw.
The Nordic Pocket Saw is the most award-winning pocket-sized hand-powered chainsaw. It's tough, powerful, and packable. It's lightweight, and the handy case makes it easy to take along with you, making it a reliable companion for exciting outdoor activities.
When I'm out in the outdoors, no matter what I'm doing, I'm always bringing some essential tools. They are the knife, an axe, and then, of course, a saw. With the Nordic pocket saw, I have a very small and powerful piece that I easily can carry in my pockets or in my backpack and have easy access to whenever I need it.
The saw provides smooth and effective cutting in both directions. The strong and durable nylon handles ensure a safe and comfortable grip. With the Nordic Pocket Saw, you can easily cut hard-to-reach branches. You can also use the Nordic Pocket Saw for dragging logs. The chain is made from heat-treated high-carbon steel. Laboratory strength tests prove that the Nordic Pocket Saw cope with forces up to 5,940 Newton and 20 times the power of normal use. To summarize, Nordic Pocket Saw is practical, effective, and durable. Nordic Pocket Saw. It's just raw, compact power.
(1964). A highly classified Special Ops Unit known as Military Assistance Command Vietnam Studies and Observations Group, or MACV SOG, carries a unique combat knife into the jungle on covert missions. Years later, in 1986, that knife inspires a young designer to found SOG, paying tribute to that Special Ops Unit with its very first knife. What begins as a single commemorative model soon becomes a full line of innovative tools, field-proven by U.S. Special Forces, and after rigorous testing, honored as the Navy SEAL knife of choice. And today, there's a SOG for anyone who demands the best. So whether you're protecting others, guiding a job to completion, leading an epic expedition, tackling one of life's everyday challenges, or facing your most extreme conditions yet, no matter what your task or where you go, lead the way with SOG. Forged out of tradition, hardened in the field, honed for you. SOG, take point.